Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna give something totally different. 25 raw potato juice benefits for skin, hair and your health. So if you're interested in this video, please like, share, subscribe and don't forget to watch the ads because you're going to get good stuff. Stay on to the end of the video, okay? So first you're going to want to get your potato, as you call it, Irish potato. You're going to grate it and you're going to get your strainer and you're going to juice it out, or whatever. If you want to blend it and get the juice out, you can do it that way. Do it the way you want to do. So the first thing is the benefit for the skin. It helps blemishes, it helps sunburns, it helps wrinkles, dark circle under the eyes, puffy eyes and tired skin. Right, this potato, it is amazing for skin lightening as well. For example, you can use it underneath your dark arm. If you have a dark arm, you can use it on it and it will help to lighten up the arm. You don't really have to use skin lightening product only to do that. And it helps with anti-aging as well. It helps with dry skin, eczema and all those good stuff. This little potato, as you see, it's a miracle food. You can even eat this Irish potato. Next one is benefit for health. So it helps to maintain a healthy blood pressure. It helps to maintain a healthy heart. It aids digestion. It helps to maintain bone health. It helps to prevent inflammation. It promotes healthy skin. It helps prevent cancer. It helps to detoxify your body. It helps with arthritis and joint pain. It helps with kidney disease and cholesterol and even weight loss. Okay, so the next one is benefit for the ear. It helps with ear loss, dry ear and gray ear. So here's a little DIY glowing skin pack. You're going to use 2 teaspoons of the potato juice, 2 teaspoons of almond oil, 2 teaspoons of milk, and you're going to put it all over your face and it will tone the skin. The next one is acne. For acne, you mix the potato extract with tomato juice and put it on the acne to clear the scar. But people, remember, if you have a bad scarring, you need to, do other. Next one, if you want to remove a tan, you can apply 2 teaspoons of potato juice mixed with honey all over your tan to get rid of the tan. If you have oily skin, you can mix the potato juice with a scrub and it will remove the greasiness off your face. The next one is for dark circle. Blend potato juice with cucumber juice, apply under the eyes and leave it overnight to lighten the dark circles. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and remember, watch the ads. I love you guys.